Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 38. Chaek, which means book in English. Chaek is the Korean noun for book. The word Chaek is composed of just one syllable, which is formed from the combination of the sounds of chiot, e, and kiok. And with that, you just learned Chaek. Let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 28 to 37. Before anything else, remember that our word for today is Chaek, which is the Korean noun for book. Word number 37 is hakyo, and this is the Korean noun for school. Word number 36 is mul, and this is the Korean noun for water. Word number 35 is toyeyo, which means it is me or this is me. Word number 34 is saram, and this is the Korean noun for person. Word number 33 is silyahabnida, which means I'm sorry to disturb you in a formal manner. Word number 32 is kabang, and this is the Korean noun for bag. Word number 31 is chalbutakturibnida, which means please take care of me in a formal manner. Word number 30 is tobocha, which means see you again. Word number 29 is idabwa, which means see you later. And word number 28 is konyang, which means just because. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Korean words.